Hi guys! Good afternoon everyone and welcome to our channel, Babes Life in Daily Lives. We try this guys, oh. This is ano guys, purple siya guys. We try to grow this one. We bought this in Lotus store in Florida. Ito ganito do this. Very big na. I think we need to do like that. We need to grow before to planting outside. So, see? Hindi na siya mag-ano. Tapos lagyan siya ng tubig. Let's see what happens. We put water there. Hopefully this is grow. So that's why we need to plant outside. D1 pa lang yung D1. Hi guys! Grocery shopping from Walmart after vacation. Ayan guys, today is July 14. Bathroom towel, paper towels, sliced bread, cookies, lapaju, coconut na, biscuit sausage, block of cheese, Yakult, and sausage, and ground beef. This one ginger, olive oil guys, paper towel, paper plate, shaving cream, and this one facial cleaner. And how much this pin? Your grocery guy is 109 or 6,540 na siya guys. Hi guys! Good afternoon everyone. Unboxing tayo guys. From Amazon. First unboxing. Sumba. Pag nagsumba ba, try ko later. Pang sumba man to ba? Sumba. I think it's fine. Next is Sarjo. What is this? Ah, this is ano? Eyelashes again? Lot of eyelashes lang. Oh, wow. Ah, that's... I don't know. Maybe it's not good for me. Good? I think it's fine. Oh. This is $1 only, right? Dollar something. This one, I think this is the ano, the jewelry. Yeah, this is a jewelry. Jewelry stand. Yeah. Jewelry stand, jewelry holder. Right? Necklace daw. Necklace order. Thank you, mahal. That's it din. Ay, lassie. I make an pang thumbnail man yun. Sudot. Thank you, guys. And bye. This one. Sorry, guys. I need to fold that, guy, because after vacation for 12 days, I have lot of laundry. So we need to fold that later. And today we arrived this guy, the beads from Amazon. I forgot to order this beads here. It's cheap though. Unboxing tayo. This one. I forgot to order this guy. All is black. And very small. The other is very small, right? Let's see, what is this? I think beads. Rain is coming, guys. The rain is coming. We unboxing over there, guys, because my husband is talking to our son. Open. We need to open this guy. Rain is coming, guys. This is the rain. Ah, this is the beads too. I forgot we ordered this beads too. A lot of beads. What is this? I don't know. This is a set, do not separate. Set though. This one beads again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Set na siya, guys. I think this one is set. One set of jewelry. And that's it, guys. And then yesterday, guys, we received this, guys. And then, very small. It's too small, guys. Look at that. Try ko. Look at that, guys. This one is too small. Look at that. Very small, guys. This one too small. So we decided to return yesterday, but the seller told to don't return, and then they told keep me this, no need to return, and then they return my payment, guys, because I cannot use this, guy. Very small. Good thing we pay only this for $13. But the good thing, they told me that to keep this instead of send back. And then they return our money, $13. Very small, oh. I think look like kid. And that's it, guys. will this vacation guy in Florida. This is second batch of laundry ba? We do laundry to the dry load guy. It's raining, hard rain guy. Really hard rain. The good thing guys, no need to watering our plant. And then plus lightning. And it's done old guy. Thank you so much guys for the viewer and subscriber. Thank you so much guys for supporting our channel. And God bless you all. Bye bye. Love you all. Bye bye. And don't forget to subscribe. Babes Life and the US.